Here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and let me show you how to change the language of this device. So first of all, you need to enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and mark system. Click on languages and input, and pick languages. And here just click on add a language, select any of the languages you would like to apply, then slide it up to the first place. Actually, I chose the one that cannot be applied like in every area, so let me pick any other. For example, this one, then select the region also if available, and let me again put it on the first place. And as you can see, from now on, the language is updated. Then whenever you'd like to remove unnecessary languages, tap on More, select Remove, mark those that you would like to delete, tap on bin icon, and confirm it by tapping on OK. And this is it, this is how you can manage languages. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.